So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to do one about my tool pouch and tools because keeping them organized is a real task and very important. So a few years ago, I got this tool bag. Very handy, very heavy duty. Can't fit enough in it, but it's got pouches on the side. Some pouches on the outside, but I really don't use them too much. But they are handy. Gets a little messy in there at times, but that's just the nature of it. Then there's the pouch that I put around my waist. Now, I don't like wearing it all the time, but there's times you really need it when you're working off a ladder and stuff like that. So this is one from the, early 80s, maybe even 78. All leather. The original belt or hammer holder, didn't like it. Took that off, strung in one of these. Real solid. Showing a lot of wear, but still, ooh. Wow, it's showing a lot more wear than I thought. Guess it's time to put a new one on. Or do something. Didn't realize it was that broken. Probably my fault. I probably should have kept this oiled up more. It'll be a project for another day. But very handy. I did destroy these after years of having nails in them and carrying stuff. But I still got the other pouches, so they're all good. But the handiest thing I've done is have this little container, which Bob Ross's is right here, but you can get little throat lozenge containers, little metal thing. I got one for each location. And what it has a little selection of bits, earplugs, just little things that can come in very handy when you're up on a roof or someplace and you don't want to go down and get them. So just very handy to know what's in there. Different couple of bit sizes, drill bits and other. So it's always important to have your tools handy and organized and secure.